Hi, so today I'll be telling you what you need to do for a court wedding in Nigeria. So what are the requirements you need to have a court wedding in Nigeria? So basically there are different registries, the two major registries being the Ikoyi registry for those in Lagos and the east and the south and the southwest. Then we have the Abuja Wusetu registry. But no matter the registry, it's the same process, it's the same form filling, it's the same applications and the same stuff that you're going to bring when applying for the court wedding. So what do you need? You need 4 things basically to apply for a court wedding in Nigeria. Number 1 is the photocopy of your birth certificate. Number 2 is the photocopy of your spouse's birth certificate. Number 3 is the passport photograph, 1 each, one of you, one of your spouse. And number 4 is, of course, some money. During my time, which was in 2016, I paid about 21k, 19 to 21k. I really cannot remember how much exactly I paid, but I know it was around 19 to 21k. So basically, those are what you're going to need for the court wedding. Once you get all that, you're going to apply, you're going to fill a form, you're going to sign a form of spinsterhood, your husband is going to sign a form of bachelorhood, and then you're going to submit. You will need 21 days from the day of your application up till your wedding date. They're going to give you a date, but for 21 days, they'll paste your form on the notice board, and for that 21 days, they're going to paste it there. The idea of why they're putting it there, when I asked, was for vetting process to check that you've not been married before and all those other things, if there's objections or stuff like that. So once you get that done, you get your date and you go for your court wedding. It's not that difficult. On your court wedding day, there are three basic things you will need. 1, you need 2 witnesses, one for you, one for your spouse, to sign the affidavit. That's what they call it. They call it an affidavit. Yeah, to sign that court wedding form. That's what I call it. Sign your court wedding certificate. I call it a certificate. They call it an affidavit. You will need 2 witnesses, one for you and one for your spouse. Then for the court wedding in Ikoyi, where I did mine, they said my husband had to wear a tie. I don't know why, but he had to wear a tie. So I don't know about the other registry. Of course, you need your rings or your Bible because you're going to be exchanging a bit of vows at the court step. So basically that's all you need. An advice I'll give you is you need to go there really early. So if they tell you that the court wedding is starting at 10, you need to go 1 or 2 hours before that time. Why? There's usually a crowd. To me, it's not one kind of big ceremony. Just people say number 1, number 2, number 3, and that's just how it's going to be. So you need to go there early so you can do yours and get it out of the way. The court wedding is the cheapest wedding in Nigeria. So if you don't want to do any other wedding, just do your court wedding and go home. Few friends, few family, give them small food and go home. That's the cheapest wedding in Nigeria. But because I'm a Christian, I still believe you still have to do your church wedding ceremony and you still need to go to church to exchange your vows. So that's it. I have written this on my blog as well. I'll put the link to my blog down below just in case you still want to go and read it, or you want to go and write it down, or you want to go and take a snapshot so you know what to get. I'm going to put it down below. And good luck as you're going to get married in the court. Yeah, it's not that stressful. Okay then, until the next video, bye.